When society collapses, attention becomes lethal. The strongest don't survive, the quiet do. Light used to mean safety. Now it means someone is still alive. Total darkness feels staged. Real life is never perfect. Movement reveals intent. Stillness erases it. Sound travels farther than light and farther than mercy. Fresh repairs screen preparation. Decay whispers abandonment. Predators avoid uncertainty. They chase clarity. Extreme wealth attracts hunger. Extreme poverty attracts violence. Normal is camouflage. The safest house looks like it has nothing inside. If they can't read you, they won't risk you. Survival isn't heroic, it's boring. The invisible don't win fast, they win last. When the world watches chaos, don't give it a show. Disappear. Subscribe to Last Day Sketches.